Welcome back. Let's get you another round of breaking update. What we're getting to know that days after getting discharged, Pratap Sarangi, the BJP MP from Odisha's Balasore, has broken his silence on what happened that day, accusing the Congress leader and LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, of behaving more like a bouncer. And here, recalling the incident, Pratap Sarangi said what happened when the BJP MPs were standing near the entry gate peacefully protesting against the insult of Dr. Ambedkar holding placards. He further claimed that Pratap Sarangi was saying that there was enough space near the gate for Rahul Gandhi to pass without causing any disruption. However, he went to allege that it was Rahul Gandhi who pushed MP Mukesh Rajput, who was standing in front of him, and that MP fell on Pratap Sarangi, and it hit on his the head of Pratap Sarangi received an injury which felt like a stone-like object. Now, this is what Pratap Sarangi's version is of that day when he was injured and had to be hospitalized for treatment.
जब हम शांतिपूर्ण धरना के लिए प्लाकार्ड लेकर खड़े थे तो राहुल गांधी उधर आया और इनके लिए रास्ता था। पुलिस ने बोला साइड में जाओ, लेकिन वो बीच में धक्का मुक्की करके गया। बीजेपी के सारे सांसद उनको रास्ता छोड़ दिया। किसी ने उनको सीसीटीवी रिवील, किसी ने उनको रोका नहीं। अगर इतना सांसद रोकते तो वो कैसे जाता, लेकिन वो सीधा चला। हम उस दूर में थे पीछे में, तो हमको अंदाजा नहीं था कि हमारे और ये मुड़ेगा। वो सीधा जाता तो हमारे अंदर उनका क्लास नहीं होने वाला था। और अचानक राइट को मुड़ करके मेरे सामने खड़े हुए थे मुकेश राजपूत करके बहुत मोटा हमारे एमपी, वो मान्यवर एमपी को धक्का लगाया। मान्यवर विरोध दल के नेता, उनको धक्का लगाने से वो मेरे ऊपर गिर गए और मैं नीचे गिर गया। मुझे लगता है, मैं ठीक से नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, वो जो कोना है, जो स्टोन वॉल का जो कर्नर है, ये चला गया। नहीं तो इतना डीप कट तो नहीं होना चाहिए था। सारे डॉक्टर आश्चर्य होते हैं कि आपका आंख कैसे बच गया। अगर सिर लगता तो, क्यों ऐसा मैंने गिरा ना, दो हाथ दे करके मैं रुक गया। सिर लगता तो क्या होता। और मुकेश राजपूत का सेंस चला गया, वो बीच बीच में चक्कर आने लगा। मैं तो ये सब देखा, बाकी लोगों ने देखा। ये सब देखते हुए भी इतना निष्ठुर हृदयहीन वक्तव्य उन्होंने देते हैं जो बिल्कुल लज्जाजनक है, घृण्य, जघन्य, निंदनीय है।
Well, let's get in a word from Sabyasachi again. Well, the BJP MP seems to be recalling exactly what happened with him, because not only him, there was another MP who got injured in the melee. What happened as far as the protests that were taking place in the Sansad complex, Sabyasachi?
Well, that's right. See, BJP Member of Parliament Pratap Chandra Sarangi has recalled the incident that had taken place inside the Parliament. Now, Pratap Sarangi said that Mr. Rahul Gandhi, rather than behaving like a leader of opposition, he behaved more like a bouncer. Now, Mr. Pratap Sarangi also alleged that there was enough space when the protest was going on inside the Parliament, when in front of the Makar Dwar, the BJP Member of Parliament were protesting, and at that particular time when the Congress Member of Parliament came at that particular time, there was in fact enough space for Mr. Rahul Gandhi and other Member of Parliament from the Congress party to pass, but he instead allegedly tried pushing. Now, Pratap Sarangi also said that Mr. Rahul Gandhi pushed Mukesh Rajput, and Mukesh Rajput fell on Pratap Sarangi, and that is when his head hit on the stone-like structure in the Parliament. And he says that he is extremely cautious because the stitches on his head has not fully healed. Meanwhile, he also condemned Mr. Rahul Gandhi's behavior after the incident. He also highlighted that after the incident, Mr. Rahul Gandhi came to see him, but he did not show any sort of concern. Yes, because we had seen
been heard saying that the leader of opposition didn't behave as far as the position that he is occupying in the parliament there, and recalling what happened on that day when these protests had reported injuries to BJP MPs. Thank you very much for the moment, Sabyasachi, for joining in. We will be back after a very short break.